2006 Chevy Silverado 2500 6.0 beast. Throaty, big truck. Huge truck. She's big. You think she's big, Jerry? That's what Anyways, as you guys can see, it comes true dual from the factory, two and a half. First converter's right there. They're massive. Second converter is there. And what we did is 2.5 inch system all the way back, true dual on each side, this side and this side. And straight out the back into some 4-inch black roll tips. There and there to complete the look. Right there, as you guys can see. There it is. True dual straight pipe. Only thing on it is the cats. There's the old system that was on it. It's all rotted out, broke apart. So we took it off, cleaned it up for him. He'll get another 7 to 10 years out of it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, and you guys see where he's come from, Washington, D.C.
No, Washington State.
Washington State.
Seattle, man.
Seattle, Washington.
Hey, I just want to say for the video, I myself, I don't let nobody touch my vehicles, but mufflers I don't really do. And just looking at these guys do my truck in under 2 hours, you can tell this place really takes pride in their craftsmanship, man. I mean, the welds, the hangers, everything they did, they cut it nice, uniform. I mean, you can't get a better job. You can definitely tell this place takes pride in their work. It's just quality, man.
Thank you for the kind words, brother.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you for your work, brother.
Absolutely. We appreciate you. All right, guys. Let you guys hear it.
That's a pretty sounding fucking thing.
That's what it's supposed to sound like.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Your sound doesn't. 119, bro. 119. That's awesome. Supposed to sound like that's sexy. Let you guys hear on this. Silverado 6.0 all the way from Seattle, Washington. We appreciate him coming out. I think he likes it. We appreciate his kind words too. Yeah, but wow, you can still hear it. I love it.